Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a few simple steps you can follow to replace the ear pad cushion for your BOSE OE headphones. Okay, this is your BOSE OE headphones. To remove this ear pad cushion, actually it's very simple. Just with one hand gripping onto the headphone while the other hand gripping onto the ear pad cushion, apply a bit of force and just pull it out like this. Okay, and now this is your new ear pad cushion. Okay, to attach it back, just make sure the position is right, where these two holes matches these two pins. Okay, these two pins to these two holes. Okay, just put them together, then apply a bit of force, push it in inside the top and the bottom with a few clicks, and we are done. And we move on to the other side. Okay, follow the same steps. Okay, pull it off, then make sure the position is right. These two holes matches these two pins. Okay, just put them together, push it in with a few clicks, and we are all done. So this is few steps you can follow to replace your ear pad cushions for your BOSE OE headphones. Thank you for watching.